Hello, I'm Jeffrey Ingalls, President of Stratford Financial Group and Stratford Employer Services in Wayne, New Jersey. And right now we're going to talk about EPO versus HMO health insurance. It's important to note what these two terms stand for. EPO stands for Exclusive Provider Organization, whereas HMO stands for Health Maintenance Organization. Both plans refer to managed care plans and normally utilize a local or national network of participating providers. Both plans are designed to provide in-network benefits only. An easy way to make a comparison is to understand that an EPO is to a PPO plan what an HMO plan is to a point-of-service plan. An EPO never requires that you select a primary care physician, nor does it require that you receive a referral to obtain in-network specialty care. Under an HMO, unless provided in an open access or direct access format, will require you to select a PCP or primary care physician and will also require you to receive a referral from that PCP or primary care physician in order to obtain in-network specialty care. Both plans utilize a network of participating providers who have agreed to a listing of contracted, negotiated, discounted fees. Both plans do not include out-of-network care or out-of-network coverage except in the case of a bona fide emergency. When looking for the listing of participating doctors in either an EPO or an HMO, it's a good idea to search the insurance company's website where you can have an online searchable provider directory. My name is Jeffrey Ingalls. I'm the president of Stratford Financial Group and Stratford Employer Services in Wayne, New Jersey. We can be found online at www.stratfordlink.com, and you just watched EPO versus HMO health insurance. Thank you.